Okay, this is a 42-inch Cud-Cadet, MTD, whatever you want to call it, Troy-Bilt. They're all saying this is an LT5 Design, and I'm going to show how to put a deck belt on it. I'm here by myself again today because my helper got off early. It's just too darn hot to really do anything. But this is a Cud-Cadet, LTX 1040, and this is the belt it takes. This is aftermarket belt with that part number right there. Some have an A, B, or C at the end, and they're all the same. So hopefully no customers try to walk in here, but I'm going to put y'all on the stand, get the tools, and show y'all how to change this belt, because it's pretty straightforward. There's a diagram, and there's the old wore out belt, so let's get to it. Okay, so to put this belt on is pretty straightforward. Like I said, I do apologize for the fan. I'm trying to get situated on here. Okay, so this belt is pretty straightforward to put on. It's really easy. You're going to need to take the spindle covers off. And they're 3/8. I'm just going to loosen this one here and twist it out of the way. Now, these guides, you can't bend because they're really thick metal. That's where these two wrenches come from. 9/16 and a 9/16 45-degree box in. If you don't have them, then you can use a regular wrench like this, but it'll slip and you'll end up hurting yourself like I have in the past. So, you may notice there's a hole under this eyeball right here. I see no sense in standing this neck up on its back just to change the belt and get the eye bolt off. And use your fingers to feel. So I'm on that bolt there. And I'm going to take this other 9/16 on this box end and try to break this bolt loose. I'm moving the deck. Okay, it's a really tight bolt. It shouldn't be that tight. Alright, that went. I'm just going to spin this loose. Don't take it off. Loosen it. And then your belt will slip right off. I'm sure I've got no customers behind me because the door's behind me. Alright, we're going to do the same on this. Find the bolt. Hold it, take this other 9/16, and this one wasn't very tight. Oops. Just going to loosen it, lift it, take the belt off, take the belt off. There's the old belt out the trash it goes. Get our new belt. Straight across in the back, and it goes up under this hook, and I'll wrap it. I'm going to put it in like this. And if you're worried about these belt guides coming out, they got a stopper on. So if you have to manipulate the belt guide, that's fine. Okay, before I was interrupted, pull this out. Sometimes you gotta take the whole pulley off. There we go. It'll lock his arm back in. There it went. All ready to tighten them up. spring tight. Swing our covers around. Now these covers here at your belt keeper. See, this one's broke. Not no good. That means that the belt's more than likely to come off since this is broke, but we'll put it back on anyways to see what it does. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Bye for now.